Stay until the end of the video and subscribe and get your free travel packing list. Welcome to the serene world of European river cruising, a journey where history, culture and natural beauty glide by at a gentle pace. For seniors seeking a luxurious yet relaxed travel experience, river cruises offer an ideal blend of comfort and exploration. But with so many options available, choosing the right cruise line can be overwhelming. Today, we'll guide you through 6 of the best European river cruise lines, tailored with seniors in mind. Let's begin our journey with Uniworld. Known for its opulence and exceptional service, Uniworld is the epitome of luxury river cruising. With a reputation for 6-star service, each vessel is uniquely decorated to provide a glamorous yet cozy atmosphere. Seniors who enjoy the finer things in life will appreciate Uniworld's attention to detail, from its exquisite dining experiences to its personalized service. It's a perfect choice for those who wish to indulge in a lavish vacation. Next, we have AmaWaterways, a family-owned cruise line that marries modern elegance with a personal touch. Established in 2002, AmaWaterways is renowned for its innovative ship design, featuring both Juliet and full balconies to maximize cabin space. Seniors who value wellness and active living will find a variety of activities to enjoy, from onboard fitness classes to immersive wellness excursions. With a focus on health, AmaWaterways offers a contemporary cruising experience that doesn't compromise on luxury. Viking, perhaps the most recognized name in river cruising, offers a classic cruising experience with a Nordic twist. With over 70 ships navigating Europe's rivers, Viking provides a vast selection of itineraries. Known for their traditional approach, Viking focuses on the cultural richness of destinations, making it an excellent choice for seniors interested in history and culture. Their well-appointed ships ensure comfort with a Scandinavian flair. Avalon Waterways, part of the esteemed Globus travel group, is perfect for those seeking an active and wellness-oriented cruise. Their innovative suite ships feature beds facing panoramic windows, allowing guests to enjoy Europe's stunning landscapes from the comfort of their rooms. Avalon offers a range of active excursions, including biking and hiking, catering to seniors who love to stay active while exploring new destinations. Emerald Waterways, a subsidiary of Scenic, brings a youthful energy to the river cruising scene. With an emphasis on affordability without sacrificing quality, Emerald's ships boast innovative features like panoramic windows and a unique pool cinema hybrid space. This cruise line appeals to seniors who enjoy a vibrant atmosphere and modern amenities, offering a fresh take on traditional river cruising. For a truly authentic European experience, consider CroisiEurope. As one of the longest operating river cruise companies, CroisiEurope offers itineraries that cater to a diverse international audience. With a rich focus on French cuisine and a multilingual crew, seniors will appreciate the cultural immersion and value-driven approach. Whether it's sailing down the Loire on a custom-designed paddle ship or exploring the Rhine, CroisiEurope delivers a genuine taste of Europe. Each of these cruise lines offers a unique blend of luxury, culture, and adventure, ensuring seniors can find the perfect fit for their travel desires. Whether you seek the opulence of Uniworld, the wellness focus of AmaWaterways, or the cultural immersion of CroisiEurope, there's a river cruise waiting to welcome you aboard. Planning a river cruise can be overwhelming, especially when it comes to booking. But fear not, as we've prepared a list of trusted cruise lines just for you. Click the description below to explore these options and start your next adventure with confidence.